Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of payment processing with Pega, and specifically, we'll be integrating Razorpay Payment Pages into our application. This will allow us to seamlessly handle payments using a secure and user-friendly interface. So, let's get started. Let's configure a payment button here. Drag and drop the button component. Add an action set to call the data transform on the button click. Let's create a payment link property to store the Razorpay's payment page link. I assume you've already set up your Razorpay account. If not, please sign up in Razorpay with your Gmail. Great, now we have to create a new payment page link. Well done, the new payment page is created and published successfully. Now copy the payment page link. Modify the payment page link and pass the required parameters. Now, we want our users to have a smooth experience when making payments. To achieve this, we'll set up another action set for the same Pay button. This time, the action set will open the payment link in a new window, enhancing the user experience. And that's it, the configuration is completed. Now refresh the case to see the updated section. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated Razorpay Payment Pages into our Pega application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.